Hey everybody, I thought I'd do this a little different today. It is time for our positivity movement, and I wrote down 3 things this time on this little tablet that Charlene gifted me from my winnings. I'm going to take this one page out and I'll read them to you, and then we're going to cut them up and put them in our can. Oh, I have to date them too. Oops, sorry. Actually, I can leave them all on the one sheet. So I have 3 positives for this past week. The first one is I have made a decision to take charge of my health with an online support group. And what I mean by that is several of us want to lose weight or eat healthier or exercise, and we're one of them formed a Facebook group, and we're going to support each other with healthy recipes, with what are you doing this week? What's your goal for the month? We're going to help you. If you have a weak moment, you can put it in and we can try and help, that kind of thing. So I have a goal. I set it low for February because we're already halfway through February almost. But I'm going to try because I am the heaviest I have ever been. I don't feel as good. I'm tired a lot, and it's all related. So I do have some goals, but I have some interim goals that I think are achievable, that hopefully will help motivate me to keep going in future months. And I have no makeup on, no earrings. Well, I do have earrings on. Wow. No makeup on. My hair needs to be done, and yeah, I'm kind of a mess. Anyway, so that's number 1. Number 2, positivity. I had one sale on my Etsy shop yesterday. I was like, woo, really? Way. And I got it in the mail today, and along with something else I had to mail. So yay. That was really some positive news that inspired me to keep going with jewelry, because I'm behind in that, guys. Again, I owed you a video yesterday, and I didn't get to it yesterday. I didn't feel that good, and so I didn't do anything much yesterday, and so I'm behind in everything again, but I'll get there. And the third thing, and maybe the most important to me, is I've made some really good friends here on YouTube and on Facebook too, and to Instagram, and I cherish those friendships immensely, more than any of you folks that I'm talking about know, and you probably know who you all are. I hope. But anyway, so 3 positives, and that really, I guess, didn't really happen last week, but it's something that came to mind that I thought about a lot last week. So yeah, those are my 3 things for the week ending February 9th for the positivity movement. And come back next Monday and see what I have for you then. And feel free to join on and play along. This is Jen Evers developed this, and I don't know if anybody else is doing it besides Jen and I, but I hope so. And yeah, every Monday. I don't have a set time. I probably had it scheduled for 7 a.m., but it's going to be whenever I can get to it on Monday, which is going to be mid-afternoon by the time this goes up. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and please ignore the mess. That's all jewelry stuff. That's all jewelry stuff. That is mostly Stampin' Up down to there, and then the bottom 2 shelves are books right now, and I need to figure out what to do with those jewelry making books, because I need that bookcase to be all Stampin' Up, because I have stuff on the floor and I have stuff back. Oh, and back there is 12 by 12 papers that are not Stampin' Up mostly, and on top of it is specialty papers, and you can't see it, but there's a little cubby back that way, and that has all my stamps and dies that are not Stampin' Up. And then there's stuff all over the floor, which I'm not going to show you. So and here's a beautiful dream catcher that Debbie Vignola made and I won, and then there's some thing behind it that Tina's Crafty Life made, and a beautiful fan. So yeah, I keep that kind of stuff. I try to alternate it. Right now I have such a mess. I honestly got really frustrated this morning, but I'm not going to go there because this is positivity movement. Frustrated with myself. Yeah, okay. All right, guys, almost 5 minutes for a quick video. I will talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Take care.